You are listening to Christian Audio's production of The Sound of a Million Dreams, Awakening to Who You Are Becoming by Suanne Camfield. This book is read by Sarah Zimmerman. This audio recording was produced in 2017 by Christian Audio, which owns a copyright. No portion of this recording may be reproduced for any reason without prior written consent from Christian Audio. This edition recorded and distributed by permission of InterVarsity Press, P.O. Box 1400, Downers Grove, Illinois 60515, USA. www.ivpress.com. Originally published by InterVarsity Press as The Sound of a Million Dreams by Suanne Camfield. Copyright 2017 by Suanne Camfield. All rights reserved. Please visit christianaudio.com, facebook.com/christianaudio, or twitter.com/christianaudio to offer your impressions of this work and to explore additional titles. Forward by Adele Ahlberg Calhoun. There is a Celtic folktale where a host asks his dinner guests, "What is the finest music in the world?" They begin to answer, "The cuckoo in the hedge, the belling of a stag across the water, the laughter of a child, the baying of a wolf pack in the distance, lark song at dawn. It is the bard Finn that settles the matter. The music of what happens, that is the finest music in the world." Suanne Camfield has written The Music of What Happens. To read The Sound of a Million Dreams is to hear God playing the fine music of memoir through a vulnerable, true voice. In the clamor of a million tasks, Suanne paid attention to what her life was trying to tell her. Pace and busyness don't numb her to the ache to offer a piece of myself to the world. In the midst of being many things to many people, she finds commonplace events, conversations, internships, phone calls, brokenness, friendships, pain, dreams, memories, boredom, longings, can offer a sense of wonder, which is a wonder. Sometimes the experiences of life are just points of comparison. You say you traveled to Europe. Your friend compares how many more places they managed to see. Like a knitter rolling yarn into a ball, we can roll strings of experiences into bigger and bigger balls. It's size that counts. But how useful or beautiful or meaningful is a ball of yarn that doesn't get knit into something? Suanne takes out knitting needles and intentionally makes meaning out of what has happened to her. Ordinary experiences become a divine venue for recognizing what the stirring is nudging her to receive and own. The Sound of a Million Dreams explores the terrain of one life. This attention to life makes Suanne a credible cartographer for those with dreams of becoming and doing something in this world. On ancient maps, perfect east was at the top, in God's heaven. The explored and unexplored world oriented around the Creator. Where human charting failed, at the edge of the known world, one often found the words, "Here be dragons." This lovely and courageous book journeys to the edges of "Here be dragons," and then to "Here be dreams." Her compass points to perfect east, God at the top of the map, giving her a world to enjoy and explore. Walk with Suanne as she names things we all struggle to name and own and carry. Let her remembered life take you to the sacred and hidden heart of your dreams. Let her story give you courage to carry your dreams with intention and attention and tireless endurance right now. I'm glad Suanne summoned up courage to become the kind of person who could birth a dream she longed to give the world. May the truth of her life in this lovely, delicious listen help you become the kind of person that can do what is in your heart to do. Chapter 1. Ashes. Mark Twain wrote, "Sometimes I don't know exactly what it is I want, but it fairly makes my heart ache. I want it so." Two small scraps of paper weigh heavy in each pocket. One barely legible, scribbled in a hasty scrawl, "I am but dust." The other bold, clear, strong, a canny invitation. The world was made for me. My imagination turns over
Sample complete. Ready to continue?